You're missing the big time if you're not shopping the center aisle, the back aisle at the Home Depot, because you're going to find savings sometimes on brands like Milwaukee, DeWALT, Ryobi. You're not going to find those savings sometimes at the front of the store because they hide them in the back. And you got to play to win. And if you watch the videos, you are pretty much guaranteed to save big money if you're in the trades, a tradesperson, even a homeowner or DIYer that likes to buy tools, get good tools at reasonable prices. You should never be buying tools at full price ever again. Subscribe and tap the bell. Now, here's the deal. If you've been looking to save money, if you've been looking to pick up a miter saw, you might have to look up high here at the depot in the clearance department. There are a couple of varieties. The Ryobi 1 Plus HP. This was originally priced. This is a 10-inch compound miter saw. It's a slider. You get a lot of capacity with this saw. 1 Plus means you're definitely going to be getting a lot of power with that as well. Now, here's the deal. This was regularly $399, $400 saw. I'm pretty doggone sure I wanted to make sure that there was a larger battery in there. You're going to get an HP battery with this saw. I'd have to take a look and see that contents, but I will tell you, they've taken that price and slashed it. You're getting huge savings there. They're down to $219. Ryobi with their HP line, in my opinion, and I've said this when I met with DTI, I went down to Ryobi to meet with their executives. I told them they were kind of blurring their lines a little bit between HP, okay, and Milwaukee. And I'm not saying that they're at the level of Milwaukee, but sometimes the HP tools, they offer a lot of bang for your buck and a lot of power for an inexpensive price. Here's another option. This is Ridgid's 7¼ dual bevel miter saw. If you're running base and such, this is a great saw to throw around. This double bevel miter saw in 7¼ they've reduced this all the way down to $196 from $279. There's the cutting capacities there. I do like 7¼ It wouldn't be my choice for a first miter saw, but for a specific purpose, I do own 7¼ sliders and fixed, and they serve their purpose for the task that we're doing. I probably would go with the Flex Volt out of the three. Of course, it comes at a much higher price point. This is indeed a 60-volt miter saw. It does have the cut line, the shadow cut line system, so you don't need to put any additional lasers. You're going to see what you're cutting. It has a slider function, has double bevel. They've reduced this one all the way down to $560. Now, here's the deal. Battery and chargers are sold separately, so you will need to provide your own Flex Volt battery, and you're going to need a charger capable of charging that battery. So yes, it's at a good price point. No, it does not include the bat rays. Diablo's got some deals. $54.97. You have their fine finish 82 fine finish saw blades, and you always want to make sure you're getting the right saw blade for the job. Hardwood, softwoods, veneered plywood, melamine, and MDF. That's what this is good for. $34.97. Here's the deal. These are bi-metal blades, nail embedded wood, and then they have bi-metal blades for clean wood. Now, here's the deal. I like these blades. If you need a fast cutting, oscillating multi-tool blade, okay, this clean wood blade would be terrific. Okay, and there's a 3-pack. If you have something that's nail embedded, okay, these could potentially be great. Purpose recip blades. Some other deals here as well. 6.5 circ saw blades, 24 teethuses, 40 teethuses, and then 60 teethuses. Whatever flavor you like, they have. And we did the video earlier in the week about the new offerings from Milwaukee on their merch, their gear. I do like this hat, but I don't like it more than our hats. These are what I'm really excited about because I've been waiting to get my hands on this barrel grip jigsaw. I'm really wanting the M12. I'm probably gonna break that apart. I'm gonna get it. All right, so if you buy any one of these, they have a whole bunch of great stuff in store too. Like I'm really liking these. They have the M12 nibbler. These are all fuel tools too as well. So the M12 nibbler cuts up to 16 gauge steel. I like this. They have the 3/8 right angle impact at $1.99. They have the right angle die grinder at $2.19. I gotta tell you, I needed this. At $1.69, you got that M12 fuel jigsaw. I like this, as well as the M12 fuel oscillating multi-tool. These are definitely two of my favorite tools here. I do like the 3/8 stubby impact wrench as well at $1.99. Any one of those tools, any one of these bare tools, they're going to give you a free this is the high output M12 high output CP 2.5. This this battery uses the same 18650 cells, same style or size 18650 cells in their other M12 packs. It just uses a higher grade of 18650 cell to give you more watts out of this small pack. $79 value. They're giving it to you for free. They have some other tool deals here on the end. They have the single-handed, one-handed hacksaw kit, the 4 amp hour battery charger bag at $1.49. They have the Surge kit at $1.49. 2 batteries, charger, bag. And then they have some oscillating multi-tools, blades, 8 pieces at $59.97, as well as an 8-piece 3/8 impact duty drive set here, thin wall. They have a whole bunch of kits here. Buy one of these kits. They got the 5/8 rotary hammer. They have the Gen 3 combo kit for $229. They have the installation driver at $1.99. Buy any one of those kits, they're giving you an XC 5.0. Once again, that's using an upgraded that XC 5.0 is using an upgraded 18650 cell that I cannot, for some reason, get out of my mouth right now. Okay, to give you more watts out, to give those fuel tools more oomph. Here we go. We have those same M12 deals over here that we saw previously, and we're going to move on to the DeWALT deals. Now, DeWALT has chosen to go with a BOGO deal. If you buy any one of these bare tools, okay, they're going to be giving you a 5 amp hour power stack battery for free. Okay, you can see that. Now, here's the deal. Number one, these are all high quality XR tools, and a lot of good choices here. I think I probably would have to go. This would be my order of operations. I'd be doing recip saw, then I'd be doing the router. I'd go cutoff tool, circ saw, then I'd go one of the impacts, wrenches, then I'd go a drywall, screwdriver, and then the cutoff tool. I'd probably do the ratchet last. That would be the order of operations. They also have some kits here. There's some crazy stuff going on here. So if you take a look, they have XR drill driver kit up there at $1.69. They have their atomic impact driver at $1.69. They have 2 6 amp hour XR batteries that use 21700 cells, 2-pack for $179. Then they have a combo kit, XR and atomic at $229, 2 batteries, charger in a bag. Here's the crazy one that no one can believe. It's just a bizarre deal. This is a 3 amp hour DeWALT battery, okay, 20 volt max battery for $39. I mean, put it down in the comment section. What do you think about the DeWALT battery for $39? I mean, is that just ludicrous? Can you believe your eyes? I want to know what you think. Look at them. They don't even come in like a clamshell. They literally throw them in like a little cardboard box. What do you think about that? $39 make you howl. They have a whole bunch of them as well. That's crazy. You're seeing the XC 5.0 here at $1.29, and there are some other bare tools as well. People love this searchlight. I really like this rover light because of the magnets that are on it. But even the little lantern and Oh, I'm getting this. Wow, 2000 lumens. This is a beast. This is focusable, USB rechargeable. It comes with that Gen 3 battery in there. So my daily driver, this is a little bit bigger. My daily driver is I think it's 1200 lumens. They pump this up to 2000 lumens. I'm getting this. You can see here for $1.99. This is a tough call. Like, here's the deal. They got the 4-tool combo kit. Die grinder, the little rotary tool. They have the one-handed recip saw, impact driver, drill driver, 2 batteries, charger, and a bag for $1.99. Then they have a 2-pack of 1.5 amp hour batteries at $79. I'm gonna be honest with you. I personally, if you need a lot of batteries, cool. They're just not the greatest batteries. I like this one. Look at this. They got that grease gun. M12. I have multiples of these because I have multiple styles of grease that I need to shoot. I need different grease for different stuff. $129 bare tool. They have the 3/8 ratchet, $99, or the 4 amp hour and charger starter kit at $99. $79. They have that M12 fan. I gotta be honest with you, I still don't have it. I really want it. I'd like to test it out. The 2-pack of CP 3.0s are at $1.49. Maybe we have something better coming up.